Welcome to Elementary Algebra. The book is by Harold Jacobs. I'm your presenter, Molly Crocker. This is the introductory lesson at the very beginning of the book. This material is copyrighted. At the heart of algebra is the ability to name something when you don't know what it is. Let's work a number trick. This is something you can do to amaze your family and friends, and then I'll show you why it works with algebra, of course. First of all, think of a number. Add 7 to your number. Are you writing this down? Multiply the result by 2. Subtract 4. Divide by 2. Subtract the number you first thought of. Did everyone get the same result? Did you get a 5? You should have. How does this work? Since I don't know what your number is, I'm going to represent it with a box. Remember, the joy of algebra is giving some kind of name to something when you don't know what it is. I don't know what's inside your box. Remember, the box contains what I don't know. When I add circles, each circle represents 1, like a penny. Add 7 would look like this, an unknown amount and 7 pennies. Multiply by 2, so I have 2 boxes and 14 pennies. Doesn't matter whether you write it down as a box and 7 and another box and 7, or 2 boxes and 14 pennies. Subtract 4. I took 2 pennies off of each group. Divide by 2. Well, I had 2 identical groups, so now I just have one of those groups. It contains a box and 5 pennies. Subtract the number that I first thought of, which was the box, and I am left with 5. If you're with me for the course, then your assignment is the homework for the introductory lesson. You'll be drawing some boxes and circles to show how a number trick works. Remember, the box represents what you don't know, and the circles represent the quantity of 1. That's all for now. See you in Chapter 1, Lesson 1. Do these things to prepare for each lesson. The Set 1 problems are usually 6 to 14 short problems. We'll check answers when we meet next. For this introductory lesson, read the text before you do the Set 1 problems. The Set 2 problems have the answers at the back of the book. Find those answers in the back of the book and put a sticky note on that page. Move the sticky note as you need to as you're working through the book. Every lesson, read the text up to the Set 1 problems. You don't have to understand everything you read. I just want it in your brain. Write down your questions, and then make sure I answer your questions. That's all for now. See you next time.